Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Romani. I've been locked for about 3.5 years, but when I first started my lock journey, I was having such a hard time getting my hair to actually lock. To me, it felt like every time I would retwist my hair would unravel from the root, so it wouldn't really retwist. Like the retwist wouldn't stay. I was extremely frustrated. I made a lot of videos about that, and I made a lot of videos just talking about how annoyed I was because I felt like my lock journey wasn't going the way that I wanted it to go. But as I matured on my lock journey and I began to learn more about locks, I stopped becoming frustrated because I started to realize, oh, that's why my hair isn't staying. That's why my retwist isn't staying, and this is what I need to do differently. So today I want to talk about why your retwist is probably not staying and what you can do instead to get it to stay. Before we get into the video, please make sure you like this video. It just lets YouTube know that I'm doing something right and it pushes my video out to more people. All right, so a retwist does not lock your hair. Your hair is going to lock if it is retwisted or not, and that is something that I didn't understand. I thought that when you twist your lock, it's supposed to lock from the top, and that could not be further from the truth. Your hair is actually going to lock from the bottom because the bottom of your hair is what's touching everything. It's what's getting wet when you're spraying your hair. Like, it's not really going to be the top of your hair. So even if your hair unravels at the top, the bottom of your lock is what's going to lock. This is why when you are starting to see budding, and if you don't know what budding is and like you're super new to your lock journey, budding is the frizz that you start to see on your lock journey or on your starter locks. When your starter locks start to get frizzy, that's known as budding. You see budding at the ends and the middle of your hair because your hair is locking from the bottom. So as I started to go throughout my lock journey, I started to realize that the retwist is only to hold your hair in place. The retwist is just giving it shape. So whether you shape your hair or not, if you don't do anything to your hair is gonna lock. I hope that this is all making sense. It's all gonna come full circle. Now, if you're like me and your retwist hasn't been staying, your retwist is probably not staying because you don't have anything holding it in place. Our retwist is only going to stay if we have something holding it in place, like a style. So if you just retwist your hair and you keep it down with no style, your hair is bound to unravel because you're moving through life. Your hair is in the elements. It's gonna be hot outside. Your hair is probably gonna get wet. Like, your hair is going to unravel if there's nothing there to lock it in place and your hair is just down. So my retwist finally started staying when I started giving myself a style instead of just keeping my hair down. And my style of choice is obviously 2-strand twists. I prefer 2-strand twists because it allows my hair to stay in place. So you see this at the root is going to stay twisted because my hair is locked in place. And I also like my 2-strand twist because it's a cute style, so I can keep it for about 4 weeks. And then when I take it down, my hair is going to be curly, but it's still going to stay up here because it's been locked like that for 4 weeks. So then I can wear my hair down. And then I'm probably gonna wear my hair down for 3 or 4 extra weeks. So that's 8 weeks where I don't have to do anything and my retwist has stayed. And if you need a tutorial on this style so that you can do it yourself, I'm gonna leave it on the screen and down below. But moral of the story, your retwist is not staying because there's nothing to hold it in place. So to hold it in place, you need to figure out what style works for you because a style is the only thing that is going to hold your hair in place. I know that this video was super short, but I still hope that you learned something from it. And if you want to watch more videos like this, I have an entire lock journey playlist on my YouTube channel. I started recording my lock journey on day 5, so you literally have 3 years worth of content to binge watch just in case you need some help navigating your lock journey. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video.